Hi guys, and today I will explain how we can create a star in 360 in an easiest way. So let's start it. First, I will create a sketch on XY plane. Then I will go to the create. I will select polygon and circumscribed polygon. I will click on here and will enter the diameter 100 millimeter and the sides will be 5. Now I will select vertical constraint, click on this point and this point, and these 2 points will be aligned to each other. Now again I will go to the create polygon and again I will select circumscribed polygon. Click on here again. I will create a polygon having the diameter of 40 millimeter and sides will be 5. Now I will keep top edge of polygon straight. So I will select horizontal or vertical constraint and will click on here. Now I will double click on here and will press X from the keyboard to make this geometry construction geometry. Again I will select this one and again I will press X. Now I will select line tool and will start creating lines. First I will click here and here. Again I will click here. Now our star has been completed. Now I will click on finish sketch and will turn on the sketch and now I will rename this sketch. For renaming the sketch I will select the sketch. I will press F2 from the keyboard and will write its name star sketch. Now I will hide this and I will go to the construct menu and will create an offset plane and select this plane and will enter a value of 20 millimeter. We can set whatever value we want and this will be the height of the star and I will press OK. Now I will select this sketch and I will press C from the keyboard and will create a new sketch here. Now I will go to the create menu, will click on point and will create a point at the center. Now I will click on finish sketch. Now I will apply loft command. For applying loft command, I will select loft and will select this sketch and then this point and I will click on OK. If I go to the top view, you can see that our star has been completed. But if I go to the bottom side, you can see that the bottom side is still flat. And if I want to give the thickness to the side of the star, then I will click on shell command and then I will select the bottom face and will enter the value and let's suppose I want to keep the thickness 2 millimeter. So I will write 2 and I will press OK. Now you can see that our star has been completed with the thickness of 2 millimeter. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you could get notification of new videos. Thank you.